Hello, my name is Seth and I'm the head librarian at New Life. Today I want to show you the basic search features of the Atla Database. The Atla Database, which is short for American Theological Library Association, it's an online full-text collection of journal articles in theology and religion. It covers everything from archaeology to human culture and society, church history, missions, philosophy and ethics, basically anything that a theological researcher might need to look for when searching for journal articles. On the database there are over 320,000 journal articles coming from 174 journals. To be able to access the Atla database, you first need to go to the library website. That's www.nltslibrary.info. When you get to the home page, click on Find Books, Articles, and Media, and then click on Online Resources. The first link on the Online Resources page is for the Atla database. Go ahead and click on this link. When you click on this link, you will be directed to the login page. Because this is a subscription database, I can't give out the login and password over the internet. This is separate from your Populi login, and as a new student you will receive the user ID and password. If you have not received that yet, or if you have misplaced it, please contact the library staff and we would be glad to give that to you. Once you log into the database, this is the home screen that you'll see. Now I know this looks pretty complicated, but it's actually a lot easier to use than it initially seems. You have a couple of search boxes here, and then you have a couple of fields that you could select from. When I say field, I mean things like title, author, subject. These are all areas that you could search. Let's say we want to do a search for all journal articles written by Norm Geisler. What we would need to do is to type in his last name first, comma, his first name, his full first name, and then in a selected field we want to make sure that we select author. We also want to select full text for any search that we do using the Atla database. What this does is this searches articles where you can actually read the entire article and not just a summary of an article. Once you've selected that, go ahead and press the search button, and we see that we get 92 results. In other words, there are 92 articles written by Norm Geisler that's available on the Atla database. And you can scroll down the menu. If you see something that catches your eye, then click on the title of the article. What this does, it pulls up a record, and this record is very similar to a book record in a library catalog. You'll be able to see the title, the author, the source, in other words, the journal in which this article was published. You'll see something called the ISSN number. This is similar to the ISBN number on books. It's a standard code that's assigned to each journal. The year of publication, the language. Occasionally there are journal articles published in other languages on the database. The subjects. If you want to read the entire article, then you'll click on PDF full text. Now this will take a second to load, so please be patient. If you would like to save yourself a copy of the journal article, you can do so by clicking on Download PDF. And that way you won't have to sign on to the Atla database or even be connected to the internet to view the journal article. Otherwise you'll have to read this as a web page. If you would like to print the article, on the right hand side you can print it, you can email it to yourself, and what this does, this emails a citation of the article, and it includes the article itself as a PDF attachment. You can also add to folder. What this is a free feature. If you sign into the Atla database, you can create your own folder by following the sign-in prompt right here. That would allow you to save relevant journal articles, and every time you sign into the database, you'll be able to see those articles again. Now let's say that you like this article and you plan on using it as a source in your paper. When you're ready to write your bibliography, you have the very convenient feature of having the database cite the source for you using Turabian. On the right hand side here, there's an option for Cite. When you click on that and you scroll down the list here to Chicago Turabian Humanities Bibliography, you'll see how to cite the source in your bibliography. So when it comes time to write your paper, all you have to do is copy and paste and put this in your bibliography. Now there'll be future tutorials in which I explain some of the advanced search features of the Atla database. In the meantime, be sure to ask the library staff if you have any questions, and this concludes this tutorial. Thank you very much.